Now those are some okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first ever video. I will admit I'm pretty nervous here. I'm not gonna lie. You know, putting my face out there and shit. Oh, am I not supposed to swear? I don't know if I'm not supposed to swear. Oh well, we'll just move past that like it didn't even happen. Today, folks, starting it off cheap, because my budget ain't all that. Needed some sound for the bedroom, so I found this little guy. Only $30, an Insignia mini soundbar. Says that it has a built-in amplifier, so I'm a little curious to see all that. It has a remote and everything. It should be nice, you know. Just a reminder, this is for the bedroom, so you're not going to be able to bump up the volume. Like, no, I have surround sound in my living room for a reason. That's your living room needs surround sound. Bedroom, this is perfect for what you need, guys. I forgot a knife. How dare I? The most important thing. Hold on, folks. Okay, not sure where I put my knife, but I got some scissors. Let's open this baby up. Got this guy off of eBay. I know everybody's sketchy about eBay. Well, not everyone, you know, there's still a bunch of people that use it, but a lot of people that I talk to prefer Amazon. And yes, Amazon's good, but for brand new stuff. eBay has a lot of used things that's still good condition and it's cheap. Not to, you know, blow on their horn or anything. I'm just telling you guys where I got this from. Man, they tape it up. Okay. Anything important on the box to read? No, the back of it is Spanish. How helpful for me. Oh, actually, the part that's English is just covered up by a sticker. Well, no matter. What we want is on the inside. Okay. First things first, power brick. Pretty standard. Doesn't even say Insignia on it. Okay. No matter. Some styrofoam. Okay. Wow. Alright. Damn. This is a light box. It was a light box. I was wondering why. This is... Well, as you all know from many speakers, it's not about the size, it's about the sound that it produces. I have a little Bose speaker like that, and it explodes sound. What else is in this box? Okay, cool. We need those. What else? Aha! Damn! The remote's on the... Look how big that remote is. For the couple buttons that it has on it, they could have downsized this. The sources is optical. Oh. Well, it's got an optical input, so it's still brand new. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Little screws. You can hook this baby up on the wall. Look at that. So yeah, source, we have optical, RCA, which is these guys, and Bluetooth, which is what I'm going to be using probably a lot. I don't know. No telling the future, guys. Display, we have standard, theater, and news, you know, for different sound, you know, different sounds, I guess. Mute and volume up and down, and power. Okay, so there is the remote. That's the remote covered. Yeah. Does it come with batteries? Yes, it comes with a battery. I think that might be dangerous. Get that styrofoam out of here. Okay. Oh, hey, they include everything in the box, don't they? And look at, now you can just plug your phone in. And last but not least, more styrofoam. Hello in there! Well, that appears to be it, ladies and gentlemen. Now I know what you all are thinking. The sound! You were talking about the sound. Let's hear the sound. Well, you're right. We do need the sound. Oh. And apparently we need the power. We need more power! Okay. So, just take this super duper long cord here. Well, of course it's gonna need power. It has a remote and everything. Yeah. Why would it have a battery? That would be a little inconvenient, right? Especially if you're gonna screw it into the wall. Came with everything but brackets. That would have been really helpful right there, actually. Okay, let me just grab a power strip and get this puppy going. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we have it plugged in now, and as you can see, we have a little red light indicator. That's nice. What's the power input? Nobody cares about that, honestly. Alright, Insignia soundbar. Mini soundbar, I mean. Orange light. Green light. Flashing blue light. That is Bluetooth. God. Sorry folks, I have to keep getting up to grab things. I feel silly. Alright, buddy boy, let's get you paired up. It'd be helpful if I had a user manual, but no big deal. I can look it up. Soundbar. Okay. And we have a solid blue light. Yes. First video, folks. Save your judgment for another time. Okay. So, what do we have? Here's the test. Wow. You just feel that rush of air coming out of the back. Well, I am fairly impressed. This is only $30. It's, you know, it doesn't have Wi-Fi. You know, I may be out of date, but 30 bucks, guys. 30 bucks. Get yourself one of these. This will blast up your living room just like a Bose speaker will. Not to trash you, Bose. Sorry if I'm saying too many brand names. But definitely, if you guys want something to hook up to your TV or just something stationary, get this guy. $30. I didn't even turn it up to halfway. That was crazy. This is Green Light Gadgets, giving you the green light on what's good. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like this one and subscribe so you can see more. I will be trying to upload once a week to keep you guys entertained and up to date on everything techie. Signing out.